Welcome back to CBS This Morning. There are 3 new confirmed cases of coronavirus this morning in the U.S. south of San Francisco. So that brings the total number of cases in this country to 11. According to health officials, there are more than 17,000 cases worldwide. The Chinese government says the death toll there has now risen to 361. And that is higher than the number of people who died in China from SARS back in 2003. Ramy Inocencio is in Beijing with more on this story. Ramy, I guess the question now is, what's it like for Americans living in China?
Yes, indeed. Good morning, Gayle. The U.S. ban on foreign nationals who traveled here to China is now in effect. Beijing is actually blaming Washington for overreacting and for spreading fear. But, you know, more and more countries are joining the United States in this ban. And Washington is saying that it is organizing even more evacuation flights for Americans still stuck in Wuhan.
Looking on in shock, this man is asked who's died. He answers, my father, as men in hazmat suits tell him it's over. Outside, several body bags have already been stacked in a van. This widely circulated video that CBS News can't independently verify purportedly shows the situation at a hospital in Wuhan, Hubei province, the epicenter of China's coronavirus outbreak. A grim snapshot of a city still on historic lockdown. American Priscilla Dickey and her daughter Hermione are stuck in Wuhan, desperately waiting for the next flight back to the United States.
The longer this goes, what's your biggest fear?
It's scary to think that if I have any problems right now, I would have to go to the hospital. And the hospital right now is someplace I really don't want to be.
Wuhan's government just finished construction on one of 2 new hospitals for patients built in just 10 days. Officials have even deployed drones with speakers. One warns this woman she should wear a mask and tells her to go home and wash her hands. Despite all efforts, the number of infections keeps rising, with nearly 3,000 new cases reported in the past 24 hours. Over the weekend, a Boston student tested positive. He returned from Wuhan just one day before Logan Airport started screening for the virus.
And in the race for a cure, there is some hope coming out of Thailand. Doctors there say that a mix of flu medications and HIV medications is showing, quote, vast improvement for some patients there over 48 hours. So here's hoping. Anthony.
Rush for a vaccine. Ramy Inocencio in Beijing. Thank you very much.